Vitals look excellent, clear heart and lung sounds.
Agreed. I've logged the data. This one is perfectly healthy. Vitals look strong, heart rate is steady. Good, good. Log that in the system and let's check the thyroid levels next.
With these tablets, we track everything from weight gain to veterinary records. The drone updates the central database automatically. The drone feed confirms the western herd is moving as expected.
Check the biometric overlay on subgroup 3. We have a slight temperature spike.
All right, clear path ahead. They are moving smoothly through chute 3.
Clear the alley on the left. Copy that. Opening gate 4.
The inbound sequence is confirmed. Send the next 3 pallets through the sterilization zone.
This facility processes over 10,000 shipments an hour, a testament to synchronized logistics and advanced automation.
See the density here? That's the quality we need. Yes, the translucence is exceptional on this one.
Utilizing advanced water jet technology, every premium horn undergoes a precision wash, guaranteeing the highest quality standards in the industry.
Check the schematic for the next cut. We need to maintain the curvature.
Looks good. The machine is perfectly aligned.
If we angle the cuff slightly more, the light catches the ridge perfectly. Let's try that on the screen. The client emphasized the fluidity of the shape.
Check the flexibility on this section. It feels exceptionally supple.
Yes, the finish quality is superb. Definitely top grade.
Look at the consistency of the grain on this hide. It's flawless. We'll mark this area here for the cut.
Our sophisticated automated finishing systems apply the precise layers that define true luxury and durability. Discover the art of luxury. Exclusively at our showroom. Move pallet 7B to Bay 4 immediately. Copy that. Moving now. Make sure the seals are secure. Where the majesty of nature meets meticulous craftsmanship, a new standard of luxury is born.